What if I told you that Google has its own AI platform where you can build AI apps, generate images, create videos, write code, and much more, all from one place? In today's video, I'll give you a complete beginner-friendly tour of Google AI Studio, show you its most useful features, and even build an AI app from scratch. So if you're just getting started with AI, this video is for you. Now, let's jump straight into Google AI Studio. This is the Google AI Studio dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the main sections you'll use: Playground, History, New App, My Apps, and Gallery. We'll start with Playground because that's where most of the AI features are available. Inside Playground, you'll see several powerful AI tools: code and chat image generation, video generation, speech, and music real-time. Let's go through them one by one. First, let's open Code and Chat. This is where you can ask Gemini to write content, generate code, answer questions, or help with almost any task. I'll paste my prompt here, choose the settings, and click Generate. As you can see, Google AI Studio creates a complete AI blog within seconds. The result is well-structured and ready to use. If you want to make it even better or rewrite it in a different style, you can simply copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT. For example, I'm translating and polishing it in English to show how easily you can combine different AI tools in your workflow. Now let's move to image generation. Here you can either generate completely new AI images or edit existing ones. For this example, I'm using a bottle image. I'll upload my ByteSpark logo and ask AI to place it naturally on the bottle. And just like that, AI creates a branded product mockup in seconds. Now let's create something from scratch. I'll simply enter a prompt, click Generate, and Google AI Studio creates an entirely new image based on my description. This feature is perfect for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, product concepts, and creative designs. Now let's take a look at speech and music. This section gives you access to voice and audio features. One feature I found really useful is screen sharing. For example, I'm sharing my screen while using ChatGPT, allowing AI to understand what's happening on my display and respond in real time. This can be incredibly helpful for tutorials, presentations, and live demonstrations. Now let's open New App. This is probably one of my favorite features inside Google AI Studio. Instead of only chatting with AI, you can actually build your own AI-powered applications. For this demo, I created an AI email assistant. The app helps users generate professional emails from a simple prompt. Once your app is ready, you can test it, make changes, and if everything looks good, you can even publish it. That's one of the biggest advantages of Google AI Studio. It makes AI app development much more accessible, even for beginners. And that's a quick tour of Google AI Studio. If you're just starting your AI journey, this platform is definitely worth exploring because it combines multiple AI tools in one place, from chatting with Gemini to generating images, videos, and even building your own AI apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ByteSpark for more AI tutorials, website reviews, and tech guides. Also, let me know in the comments, which Google AI Studio feature impressed you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.